So the thing about life is, when life is going good, it's going great. Nothing can touch you, nothing can stop you. You're on cloud nine, everything is just in line. And thus far, that has been a case in my life, especially as it pertains to this car, except for about a week ago, maybe two. I come out one morning and my left tire in the back, my left rear tire, PSI is down to about 23. This is not the first time I've seen that before with this car. So the first thing that I could surmise is that I have another nail. And upon further inspection, that's exactly what it is. It's another damn nail. So fortunately, I will say with this particular nail is that it's far enough in the tread, or at least in the sides. Well, let me just show you. So I like to do the soap and water method, which basically is, you know, you get a big whatever full of soap and water, you shake it up, you get it real soapy, and basically whenever you put it over the tire, it's supposed to bubble up over the area that's releasing air. That was a lot, but if you can see right here, right about here is where it's bubbling up. So that's what the nail is. Fortunately, it's far enough, and like I said, it's far enough on the inside or the middle of the tire that they should be able to repair it. And when I say they, I mean NTB, which is exactly where we're going right now. We've got an appointment at 5 o'clock, and it is currently, well, I don't have a watch, but I would imagine it's pretty close to 5 o'clock. So let's go ahead and get on that. So as my car warms up, I just kind of want to explain to you guys, as you can tell, I'm probably, you know, based on my voice, you can probably tell I'm upset. And to be honest with you, that is the case. I mean, 2 nails, same wheel, all in the span of a year, that's ridiculous. I'll be honest with you. It's something that I never experienced with the car before mine. Now, of course, it has nothing to do with the car itself. If anything, it has something to do with the way that I drive the car, given the fact that, you know, it's been on the same side both times. Maybe I'm hugging the curves too much, or maybe I'm just getting over in the filth, you know, where they push the mess off on the side of the road. But it just sucks, man. It sucks to have to do this again, to be honest with you. And if they come up talking about they can't plug it, you know what that means. New damn tires, man. Which is the ultimate disappointment right there. If I have to replace both tires in the back, or even one tire in the back, over a damn nail, man, that really sucks. But, you know, you ask yourself, well, we'll talk about it in a minute. You know, as we're sitting here at the stoplight, you have to ask yourself, where do these nails come from? Like, realistically, are they coming off of cars? Is it the cars that's dropping these nails? Is it like the 18-wheelers, or maybe the construction trucks that's dropping nails? Like, all these nails come from? Like, the last nail that I caught in my tire was like a nail that you would find in like the siding of a house or something. Like, it was extremely long, obviously metal. It looks like one of those nails that you would see going into a ply of wood or something. And this nail, I'm sure, is going to be something just as ridiculous, man. Now, granted, it's a very slow leak here, as you can see. Everything else is 35, 35, 33, and then the back left is 32. I had my Honda Civic prior to this car, which was my first car out of college, out of high school, as a matter of fact. I never had anything happen to it. I never hit a nail. I never had someone crack my window with a rock. I've had 2 cracks in my front windshield, in this car due to rocks, and I've had 2 nails in my back left tire that have caused flats. It is what it is, man. So we're at NTB. We're gonna see what they're talking about here, so I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, squad, so we're at NTB, as you can see there. Hopefully they give me some good news, man. I'm just hoping for the best at this point. A lot of damn cars here, as you can see. Looks like I'm not the only one that's having this kind of issue, but we're gonna go in there and see what they're talking about, man, and I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Hopefully they can knock this out for me. See you guys in a minute.
2 hours later.
All right, squad, so good news here. They were able to plug it. It only costs like 33 bucks. You know, NTB is not bad at all. They always do a good job. Currently at the gas station, just filled up, man. But yeah, I just, you know, stuff like that is just the little stupid, inconvenient stuff that's just like that, just the little shit that just gets on your nerves. You know what I'm saying? As always, guys, like, subscribe, comment. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like I said, I'll have a new video probably by the end of this week here. Something definitely a lot cooler than this. It's just a quick update. But with that being said, guys, y'all take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.